So, you own a home, and let's say it's a rental property. Congratulations! Only a small percentage of people own a rental. Now you decide you want to save money and manage it yourself. After all, it can't be that hard. You simply need to find great tenants, collect rent, and sit back and relax. Well, we all know there is much more involved. Let's compare the do-it-yourself landlord and the landlord that hired a professional property management company. So, what is involved in managing a rental home? Well, for starters, you need to find tenants by setting the rental rate using market comparables, take photo and video tours, advertise the rental, phone screen prospects, show the property, screen tenants, run reports, set leasing policies, sign leases. And then we have maintenance. You need to maintain preventative maintenance schedules, hire out landscaping and repairs, coordinate with contractors, act as project manager, complete property inspections, and don't forget, you will need to be on call 24/7 for emergencies. You also have the management and legal responsibilities by learning fair housing and fit premises laws, other local laws and regulations. You need to have legal counsel and eviction processes in place, collect rent and know what to do when they don't pay, keep proper records, prepare for taxes, have proper insurance in place, and make sure your tenants do as well. You will need to have awesome customer service to keep good relations, handle lease and city violations, neighbor complaints, and much, much more. It has been shown that self-management ends up costing far more than hiring the pros. Time away from your career, headaches, and costly mistakes can cost you thousands. So why not hire the pros and get your life back? Your to-do list just got a whole lot smaller. You should enjoy being a landlord. It is a tremendous source of wealth and freedom when done right and when the best management is in place. That is why you should hire Keyrenter. Discover the Keyrenter difference today.